Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents Super Tea Recipe. Cure more than 50 health conditions and detox the body. Hi friends, pay attention to today's video where I will be narrating you an amazing oriental tea recipe. You can prepare this ancient folk super tea recipe at home that cures more than 50 health conditions, and it contains oriental spices such as turmeric, ginger, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom. Turmeric is used since ancient times to eliminate the toxins from the body and to treat nausea, vomiting, nematodes, and today there is scientific evidence proving its efficacy in preventing and treating cancer and dementia. Cloves are amazing in treating infections and ginger stimulates the blood circulation. You will need the following ingredients: half teaspoon ginger, half teaspoon cinnamon, half teaspoon cloves, 1/6 teaspoon turmeric, a pinch of cardamom, 1.5 cup of water, half coconut milk, honey optional. Preparation: mix all the spices together and add 1.5 cups of boiled water. If you cannot find ground spices and you use seeds instead, you should boil the tea and cook it on a low heat for 5 minutes. Stir well. Add the warm coconut milk. Do not strain the tea and drink it during the whole day. And you can drink as much as you like. This tea will boost your energy and help you cleanse your organism from parasites and toxins, and also treat colds, weak immunity, and various health conditions. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.